traders, it's 44 minutes past 12 p.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 20th of May, and I am looking for a fight with the Kiwi dollar and a Euro Kiwi. So let's start right up from the daily chart. And on the daily chart, the level that I'm interested for my offense is here in the blue line. It is in and around the 0.6050 area. Now we can see here we came, touched this. I love this spike, consolidated underneath and broke higher. And with this break, we also cleared this previous high. So this one and this one. So I like this scenario a lot. Now, if we'll take a look here on the monthly chart, we can see that the monthly is not really helping us much. We're making here higher lows so far and lower highs. So not a lot of direction here on the monthly chart. Now, if we'll switch into the weekly, and I just put a little less of this unit so we can see this clearly, this is the level, and we can see how important that level has been in the past. So this was also the breakout level that pushed higher, albeit it couldn't go any higher than this previous high. We started a new downtrend here on the weekly, but reversed that, did not break the previous high, consolidated again underneath that level and broke higher. So I like this level a lot, and I'm looking for a bit of a pullback, really some of this very strong buying pressure and a continuation of the move. Now, I do need to mention that we are going to get the Reserve Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision, and the market is currently expecting for the interest rate to stay put at 5.5%. Previously, there was an assumption, there was a hope that interest rates are coming down. There were new readings of inflation, and that hope diminished. So we saw this resurgence of the Kiwi dollar. So we can see here on the daily chart, we are quite overextended, and I want to see a proper pullback into this area. We've got the momentum indicators all pushing nicely higher, and I like that a lot. So with this one, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a pullback into my offense area. Give me any reason to start striking at my offense area with my point swing sitting here at the purple line. So in and around the 61.10 area, and my knockout just underneath this swing high, so in and around the 61.60 area. I just push this one slightly lower underneath these lows. So this is my plan for Kiwi dollar. Now, in a quite similar scenario, I want to take a look here at Euro Kiwi. So this is the daily chart, and we can see this level that I marked in blue. It's quite nice. There's a few touches. There's a touch on the way up, pulled back, made a higher high, came back fast, couldn't push any higher and broke through that area. So I like that scenario, and once again I'm looking for that pullback. Now let's have a quick look on the higher time frame. Now if we'll take a look here on the higher time frame, we can see that we already have here a lower high, but we haven't really confirmed a downtrend. This area, this level in and around the 1.74, quite a strong level, and really we are stuck here in a range. So while looking a little bit more bearish at the moment, it also doesn't have much direction. Let's take a look here on the weekly. Now on the weekly, we can see that strength of this level. So we can see the touches, we can see the break, and we can see the previous touches around that area as well. So it is a nice level. I like the fact that this is the rejection spike on the way up as well. So let's take a look here on the daily. Now, what I'm looking for on this one is once again a pullback into this blue line and into this area. And I don't mind if you pull back a little bit more as well, but I'll be looking for a re-break of this level. Now, the point swing in this case are going to be just above this area, above these touches. So in and around the 177.80 with the knockout at this low, and it might be just slightly higher above this week. So in and around the 176.80. 80 area. So to summarize, I am looking for a bit of release of the strength in the Kiwi dollar, a bit of a pullback into these levels, and a continuation of the overall move. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.